Hi guys, we're going to make chicken fried steak. So I'm going to be cooking up 4 cube steaks, which is beef, but the reason they call this chicken fried steak is by the way it's prepared. I'm lightly salting and peppering both sides of these. I'm not really measuring it, I'm just shaking it on a bit. There we go. I'm setting up an assembly line. In this pot right here, or pan, I have half a cup of all-purpose flour. I've added in 1.5 bags of the saltine crackers and I've crushed them up. Some are kind of big, some are smaller. It's just kind of mixed in there. As long as I don't have really big pieces in there, I'm okay. And it's mixed in with the flour, and now I'm going to add seasonings to that. So in here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. It's not a lot of seasoning. And I'm just going to take a spoon and combine that up. In here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In this one I have 2 eggs that I've beaten with a half a cup of milk. I'm heating up 1/2 inch of oil in a cast iron pan over medium heat. And while that's heating up, I'm going to take my cube steak, and first I'm going to dip it in the flour. Shake it off a bit. Dip it in the egg mixture. Let it drain a little bit. And then we're going to coat it in the cracker mixture. So I'm just going to keep tossing it in here like this until it's coated pretty good. I'm going to set it on a plate while I do the next one, and I'm going to do them in batches of 2. The pan I'm using is actually smaller than I wanted, so I'm only going to do one at a time in my pan, but you want to cook them for 6 minutes on each side, and you want them to be golden brown. When they're done, I'm placing them on a paper towel to drain some of the oil. There's my chicken fried steak, and thank you guys for watching.